Chocolate and mint go so well together, no doubt about that. And initially I didn't think to call these cupcakes After Eight Cupcakes, but my sister made me do it. So let me show you how I did it. Here we go!
First off, put your flour and baking powder into a bowl of your choice. Add some vanilla sugar, then cacao, and a pinch of salt, and give that all a quick mix. To make this all even fluffier, you can sieve that through if you like to. Then it is time to mix the eggs and sugar. You gotta do this until the sugar is dissolved or the mixture gets real light and fluffy. Once you get to that consistency, you begin to add the milk and oil and interchangeably add the flour mixture as well. Do that until all the ingredients are incorporated. Then it is time to fill your muffin cups. I like to use the reusable silicone ones and fill them up to about 2/3. We don't want the muffins to flow over after all. It's oven time! Bake these yummies at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes.
The safest way to test if it's baked through is to poke it with a toothpick. I'm not holding a toothpick, but imagine it. And if you poke it through, it comes out clean, it's baked through. Easy as that.
While the muffins are cooling off, we gotta make our filling. So get some room temperature butter and cream cheese and mix those two suckers together. Then you add the heavy cream and you continue to mix that. And then gradually add the powdered sugar into the mix. Somehow I didn't record the addition of the mint extract, but that's what I'm doing.
Here it is really important to know how intense your mint extract is. Mine is pretty intense, that's why I'm sticking to 3 to 4 drops, not milliliters, drops. You should totally test your intensity. So first try it with 2 drops. If it's still too mellow, just go for another 2 drops and just find the perfect ratio for yourself.
As the filling wasn't the classic white color of the After Eights, I opted to go for a light minty green. This is of course totally optional, but I must say I like that. Let the filling cool off in the fridge a bit, and now we make holes into our muffins. I love to use my apple core for that. And I must say I didn't like how small the initial hole was, so I made it a bit wider. We want more filling after all, don't we? By the way, do not throw away the pieces of cake. If it's too much to just snack on, put them into a freezer-safe bag and toss them into the freezer. These cake rests are great for cake pops or to put on ice cream or other desserts for a different texture and even taste. Then just fill the muffins up with the filling. I mean, that was kind of obvious, I suppose. As a final touch, I had prepared a small batch of ganache, which is 1 part heavy cream and 1 part dark chocolate molten together to make this perfect stuff to close the muffins off. Just spread it evenly on the muffin and put them into the fridge so that the ganache can harden again. And that's it! I actually wanted this to be a surprise inside cupcake, but the mint leaves just look so well next to them.
And the only clue that this is related to mint is just this tiny decoration. And maybe put this little one here. Yep, the green color does complement this amazingly. And now let's see how it looks from the inside. Oh yes, it has hardened perfectly. Come on. Ooh, I just love these reveals. Oh yes. My mother and sister love these. And the only thing I could totally say that I should improve on this recipe is to mix the filling better so that the sugar can dissolve better. It looks a bit grainy here, but in the taste it's perfect. Apart from that, you should totally give it a shot. I hope you've liked this video. If that's the case, please drop a like down below and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a delicious weekend and see you next Friday.